Epinephrine signaling pathway by Nicey, Ryan, and Viraj. The signaling molecules are epinephrine, the receptor is B-adrenergic, and the secondary messenger is cyclic AMP. The type of signaling is endocrine, and the source of signal comes from adrenal glands. Here, we have the B-adrenergic receptor and the G-alpha, G-beta, and G-gamma proteins bound to it. The B-adrenergic receptor is a G-protein coupled receptor. Here, we can see the GDP binding to the alpha protein. Towards the right, we have adenyl cyclase. Now, we can see the signaling molecule epinephrine. Epinephrine comes and binds with the B-adrenergic receptor. After binding to B-adrenergic receptor, the GDP bonded to G-alpha is replaced with GTP. After GTP binds, G-alpha unbinds from the rest of the protein. It ends up binding with and activating adenyl cyclase. Adenyl cyclase mediates in the reaction of ATP to cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP bonds with inactive protein kinase A to make it active. The active pKa drives the reaction of inactive phosphorylase kinase to active phosphorylase kinase. The active phosphorylase kinase acts on the inactive glycogen phosphorylase to make it active glycogen phosphorylase. This active glycogen phosphorylase mediates the reaction of glycogen into glucose 1-phosphate, which is used for different pathways in glucose metabolism.
Now let's look at the cellular response of the cell. After glycogen phosphorylase is activated to break down glycogen, a polysaccharide, into glucose, a monosaccharide, the cell then uses that glucose to produce ATP and boost energy, which is helpful in situations of fight or flight.